equivalent single wheel load, ESWL. Now this is one of the important topic, hot favorite topic of the examiners in various competitive exams. This topic is related to pavement design. Now the name itself suggests equivalent wheel load. Equivalent wheel load means suppose there are a number of wheels, okay, and suppose, let me draw so that you will understand. See, this is your single axle and this is your wheel. Another wheel is here. So basically this is your point load P or wheel load. Wheel load is denoted by P. So the distance between the two wheels, let it be small d, and your center to center distance. Center to center distance means from this to this, that is S. Okay. Now what will happen when this load is on the ground? This is your ground level. So the load is transmitted like this in a truncated cone shape, okay, like this. So there will be slight overlap also, okay. So this is at an angle of some 45 degree, right? So your equivalent single wheel load we will be taking at different points. So like d by 2, so below the ground level at a distance of d by 2, so let's call it this distance d by 2. So at this distance below the ground, your ESWL is equal to P, okay, whatever the wheel load of single wheel. At the same time, if we are going down at a distance of 2S, what is S? S is the center to center distance between two wheels. So at a distance of 2S below the ground level, your ESWL, so there will be overlap, okay. So this ESWL will be obviously more 2P, okay. So just for the sake of understanding, you remember this diagram and you remember the values also, that below the ground level at a distance of d by 2, ESWL is equal to P, and below ground level at a distance 2S, your ESWL is equal to 2P. Now one formula which you need to remember is log ESWL, see, log to the base 10, okay, obviously is equal to log P to the base 10 plus 0.301 log Z upon d by 2. Okay, I will explain you what is Z and all these things, divided by log 2S divided by d by 2. Okay, so this formula is very important, many times asked in GATE exam, numerical related based on this formula. So just memorize this formula for finding out ESWL. Okay, so here we know that P is, what is P? P is wheel load, that we know, okay, and Z is equal to desired depth. Desired depth. So Z is also basically depth, but that is desired depth. So let me write all these things. Number one, up to depth d by 2 below ground level. See, there is no stress, overlap occurs. You can see below the ground level up to d by 2 there is not much overlapping, okay. So that's why ESWL, therefore ESWL will be how much? It will be equal to P only. But number 2, for depth greater than or equal to 2s, then ESWL will be how much? It is equal to 2p. Okay, so remember this formula and remember this criteria also. You can easily solve any question now.